All right guys, today we're going to be testing out the Gyeon ceramic coating. This is the Q2 for rims. Read some stuff about that online. We'll start with just kind of getting that unboxed. See what all we have here. We've got the ceramic coating applicator felts, the applicator, I guess you can call it pad, and then all of your instructions. We're going to be doing this on a set of brand new Forgestar wheels that are going on my Trackhawk. I'm going to start with the barrels first, and then we will move to the outside. One thing I read online that kind of helped, especially on the spokes of wheels, was actually a wax applicator pad. I could not find those, but I found these that were made for tire shine. It's just foam. What I'm probably going to do is end up cutting them in half. Comes in a pack of 2. I got 2 packs, just so I can do multiple coats on these wheels. For the barrels, I believe we'll start out at least using the applicator for that they gave you. As far as how to use all this stuff, never done it before. I did have the Trackhawk ceramic coated by Nick Bennett of In the Paint Detailing. He's a ceramic pro guy, and so far I've been happy with the results on that. With the new wheels, I wanted to do some sort of ceramic coating on them, I knew. So I figured, one, I'd give it a try myself. I'd like to try to do as much as I can myself. See how the application goes. Of course, this is my first time, which is why I'm starting on the barrels, the inside of the wheels here, just because that is the part that is not going to be seen. So yeah, let's dive on in and get started. All right, this will be take 1 of coating on the wheels. All right, so we're going to shake up the quarts. I've got the applicator pad and the applicator felts. We're going to try to double up these, I guess. We're going to use half of it here, a little more than half, I guess. And then we'll try to use the other half as we coat another section. One thing I've been warned is when you're using these, recap them. So we're just going to coat this felt. Hopefully you guys can see that in the frame here. And from what I understand, this bottle will do 2 coats on 4 different wheels. And all I'm doing is just applying this kind of on the inside. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is having trouble with that flat pad, getting that whole base, so I'm going to go ahead and try one of these out. Just cut it in half. They give me 2 decent squares, I think. That should be pretty easy to work with. And just going to go ahead and coat these, see how they do. Get enough of this coating on here. And I think that's actually working a lot better to get all in this area. So I'm going to probably do 2 spokes at a time, maybe. All right guys, so we just finished up the final coat on our Forgestar wheels. We ended up doing 4 coats of the Again, I guess it's Gyeon Q2 rim ceramic or quartz coating. Did 4 coats. Everything seemed to turn out real well. I would say as far as a difficulty of installation or coating, this is probably very easy, just time consuming. Hopefully at the end of the week I'll get tires mounted. We'll get them on the Trackhawk, get some miles on it, and see how well they clean up. That was the big concern, was brake dust and ease of cleaning. So we'll get everything mounted, and then in a couple weeks do another follow-up review. Overall though, product went on easy. I've got I'd say half of a bottle left, so my plan is to actually coat the calipers as well. Once we take the wheels off, we'll probably do 2 or 3 coats depending on how much product we have. Thanks for watching.